Have you ever tried to open an Xcode project from the terminal, only to find it just resumes where you left off? It can be frustrating when you want to jump straight into a specific file. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. You want to open your project and dive right into coding without any extra clicks. Many developers face this same challenge, and you're definitely not alone in wanting a smoother workflow. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a way to open an Xcode project and specify which file it should open to? They mentioned that using the command to open the project just resumes the last active file, which isn't always what they want. Sound familiar? Let's explore some solutions. So what's the deal? When you use the command to open your Xcode project, it defaults to the last active file saved in the user interface state. This can be a hassle if you want to start with a different file. Let's break down how to tackle this. And make sure to stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will streamline your workflow even further. To open an Xcode project and specify which file to open, the user can use a specific command in the terminal. First, they should navigate to the directory containing the Xcode project. Next, the user can open the Xcode project and specify the file they want to open by using the open command with the project and file paths. This command tells the terminal to open Xcode, load the specified project, and directly open the desired file. The user should ensure that the paths are correct. If the user encounters any issues, they should double-check the file path and ensure that the file exists within the project structure. By following these steps, the user can successfully open an Xcode project and specify which file to open directly from the terminal. Fun fact, did you know that Xcode was first released in 2003? It has come a long way since then, but sometimes it still has its quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user involves using a script to open an Xcode project and specify a file to open. This method utilizes the loaded property of Xcode's workspace document scripting class. The script walks up the directory tree to find the Xcode project, then uses AppleScript to open it. It checks if the project is loaded, and if so, opens the specified source file in the existing project window. Here's the tip I promised. Consider creating a simple shell script that opens your project and the desired file in one command. This can save you time and make your workflow much smoother. And there you have it. You should now be able to open your Xcode project and specify which file to start with. Remember, a little setup can go a long way in improving your coding experience. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video.